Hello, everybody, and happy Easter. I'm recording this on April 12th on Easter. I hope you guys all had a wonderful, relaxing day. I know that I'm having a lot of fun just laying around and doing nothing today. So I'm now going to read aloud the article from your April 13th through 14th assignment. You'll probably notice that the articles and other things on this packet are a little bit longer than last week. So I will once again be reading all of them aloud to you here and posting them on YouTube. I'm seeing I'm getting some views, so I hope that these are helpful to you guys. So I'm going to start now. Many teens have discovered the fun and benefits of yoga. Read this excerpt from the book Yoga for Teens and answer the questions that follow. Yoga and You by Tia Luby. Yoga is a discipline and a science, but also a fun way to exercise your body and your mind. Some yoga poses are held statue-like, while others are very active and involve jumping movements. During statue-like poses, doing statue-like, sorry, I apologize. Doing statue-like poses will build concentration skills, physical strength, and flexibility that will help you in school or at work. The more active poses will build strong muscles for endurance and better performance in sports and other activities. When you learn how to breathe deeper and slower by practicing yoga breathing exercises, you'll feel calm and relaxed. Breathing exercises will also help you sleep better and wake up in a better mood, ready to face another day with good energy and a smile. You can practice yoga poses by yourself, with a friend, or with a group of friends. You can practice any time of the day or evening, outdoors, on the grass, or in a spacious room indoors. And you never need anything but your own body. You will be amazed at how strong you can become by practicing yoga often, and your friends will be impressed by what you can teach them. It's important to start with the basic poses to begin building your strength, flexibility, and endurance that more advanced yoga requires. After you become stronger, you can begin to learn the more difficult poses. What you need to know about yoga. Many forms of yoga and yogic meditation are described in the ancient writings of India, where yoga was developed over 5,000 years ago. But in this book, you will focus mainly on the form known as Hatha Yoga. This type of yoga is a complete system of poses, movements, breathing, relaxation, and concentration that promotes total health and well-being, mental, physical, and spiritual. People who do Hatha Yoga regularly can quickly increase their physical strength, flexibility, and coordination, clear energy blocks, and develop greater mental clarity, focus, and concentration. Qualities essential for success in all areas of life. Yoga poses are the internal organs. Yoga poses tone the internal organs of the body while toning muscles, keep the muscular structure strong, and improving circulation. When you hold a pose, the circulation of blood bathes a particular area of your body to rejuvenate, restore to a healthy condition glands and cells, and to calm nerves. Yoga practice focuses strongly on the brain and the spinal cord, the two principal centers of the body's nervous system. While some yoga poses are designed for energizing the body, others are aimed specifically at calming and focusing the mind. Keeping the nerves calm and healthy is very important to maintaining a healthy mind and body. A nervous state or negative emotions like anger can have harmful physical or mental effects if these emotions and mental states occur often or last a long time. The deep breathing methods and calming poses learned in yoga ease nervous tension and help to keep your brain and nervous system working well. At the same time, they help you calm your emotions and redirect energy into constructive channels. Yogic breathing exercises produce life, energy, or prana, which circulates through hundreds of energy channels called nadis throughout the body and clears blocked energy. The creators of yoga discovered 7 energy centers called chakras running through the spine. Chakras absorb prana and send it along the energy channels to the blood, nervous system, and glands. Each of the 7 chakras affects specific glands, areas, and functions of the body. Each chakra activates a particular kind of energy that impacts our emotional, mental, and spiritual selves. If a particular part of your body feels tight, uneasy, achy, or painful, a yoga pose can be selected to move more blood and energy into that area. With yoga poses, chakras are stimulated and energy blocks are released so that the physical stress or emotional upset can heal. Practicing yoga poses keeps the energy channels clear and the chakras open, resulting in a healthy, balanced state. A person who practices yoga faithfully will eventually lose self consciousness about his or her body and can begin to let go of ego. According to yoga philosophy, at this point, the body is considered a fit vehicle for the soul. Although the forms of yoga you will learn in this book does not involve spiritual meditations, practicing yoga poses that are calming to your body and spirit will allow you to experience a calm, peaceful, meditative state. As you continue to practice yoga, a quiet mind will emerge spontaneously and naturally. As you learn to focus your mind while holding a yoga pose, you will also improve your concentration and learning skills and find it easier to maintain a positive mental attitude. Yoga offers a different approach to strengthening and moving the body than sports and other types of physical activity. It gives you a chance to listen to your own body's needs by tuning in and learning which parts need direct attention for healing or strengthening. Instead of exerting energy to the point where your body feels exhausted, in doing yoga, you will feel increased energy as you focus inward on proper alignment. Many yoga poses were inspired by animals and insects. Observing them to learn their secrets of staying strong and healthy, the creators of yoga developed a series of poses that focus on the special qualities and abilities of different animals and insects, their strong, their strength, agility, poise, or determination. Being aware of these life forms and their qualities helps you use your powers of visualization to strengthen your practice of yoga. Some of the classical poses in this book have been renamed to make them easier to visualize. When you practice yoga, you will notice that you become much more aware of your body. You'll feel more alive and energized and aware of how all the parts of your body are made to work together in harmony. You will stand taller and be more poised, presenting a positive self image to the world. Yoga teaches balance of mind, body, and spirit. It is a discipline that promotes self awareness and a strong sense of self without overinflating the ego. Yoga is a part of a system that, for centuries, has been used to build character and compassion and is a basis for learning unconditional love of oneself and others. Now it's going to go on to describe some of the different poses you can do. If you want to have some extra fun with this, you can follow along with my voice as I try and describe what the yoga pose is and try and mimic it. I'm thinking of creating a playlist of just different calm yoga because I think separate of all of this with what's happening right now with the coronavirus, I've been doing a lot of yoga and it's been helping me a lot. So I'm going to include some playlists on my channel where you can go through and do little yoga routines. So anyway, I'm going to start right now by describing downward dog pose. Start on your hands and knees. Flex your toes under and exhale as you lift your knees up to straighten your legs while pressing your heels down towards the floor. Keep your arms straight. Press your chest back towards your legs and lift your seat up higher towards the ceiling. Hold the pose as long as you can for 1 minute or more while breathing deeply. To release, come down on your hands and knees slowly. Sit on your heels, lower your forehead to the floor, place your arms at your sides, and relax. Some benefits are it stretches the entire backside of the body while also strengthening the heart and bringing blood to the head to clear the mind. Upward dog pose. Start by laying down position facing the floor, lying on your stomach. Bring your hands under your shoulders with palms flat and fingers forward and open wide. Inhale and push down through your hands to lift your chest high and straighten your arms, while you move your shoulders down away from your ears. Flex your toes under and exhale as you lift your legs up from the floor. You will have a big curve in your lower back. Hold the pose as long as you can for 1 minute or more while breathing deeply. Inhale and lift your chest and exhale and push back through your heels. To release, lower your legs to the floor and exhale as you roll your spine down slowly. Take a deep breath and relax. Benefits: strengthens the lower back and front legs and stretches the arms, chest, and front of the spine. This tones the kidneys. So now you have a series of multiple choice questions. We have 5 multiple choice questions and then a paragraph response here that you'll write in. Once again, if you're working on Google Classroom, then you can just type it into the space. If you are printing your work out or writing on a separate piece of paper, just make sure you take a picture of the work and you email it to me so you can get the extra credit that I'm handing out for these assignments. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you guys do some yoga. I will be making a playlist and adding it to my YouTube channel so you can see. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday, and I'll be back with another read aloud.